So hi, today I am going to show you about how to prepare your resume for interview perspective. Okay, so what all the technical terms you have to include in your resume. So the resume format is very important. Lags together resume are uploaded to Naukri.com or any other Naukri websites, but the ranking of resume is very important. For that reason, I am making this video. Okay. So if a resume is very good, if it's approaching what you're trying for the job, so then it will be more useful for you to get interviews. Okay. So what all contents the resumes have? So we go through that. Okay. So when showcasing your experience in ETL, extract, transfer, load, testing on your resume, it's important to highlight your skills. Okay, whatever skills you have, it's very essential to highlight those skills, accomplishments, and relevant details. So here are tips to effectively present your ETL testing experience on your resume. Start with a strong summary or objective. Begin your resume with a concise summary or objective statement that clearly communicates your experience in ETL testing or your career goals. Use a clearly defined experience section. You must have a separate experience section. Create a dedicated section for your work experience. So, what all you work in projects, okay, what all you work with team, what all you work with different tools. Okay, so you have to explain their use. So create one dedicated section for that and highlight that title should be experience. Don't keep only this much of year of experience. I have 5 years in ETL testing. Okay, what really you have experience with all tools. Okay, all the with the team you have to show in this experience section and list your ETL testing rules. Okay, what all rules you are having responsibilities in a reverse chronological order. Provide detailed job descriptions. Whatever day by day you are doing, daily what you are doing, you have to give an explanation for that. For each position, provide a detailed job description, emphasizing your responsibilities and achievements. Any achievements you did in some of the critical situations. So, or you can say some of the certifications. You have to maintain some separate sections that is related to ETL testing. Highlight your involvement in the entire ETL testing lifecycle. Okay, how you involve with a team in ETL testing field. What all you did. Okay, some special experiences and taking responsibilities. Okay, so taking risks and resolving the issues. That all you have to mention here in ETL testing lifecycle, including requirement analysis, and also if you involved in test planning, test case design, how in unique way you are designing test cases. Show some extra focus on the designing test cases, executions, and defect tracking. Quality achievements. So this is very important. Whenever possible, quantify your achievements. Okay, so for example, so if the real candidate who is having experience and a fake candidate who is not having experience but he is going through theoretical base. So think that in corporate level, who is having real time experience is having default qualities. Okay, default good qualities. But if a fake candidate he is not having any real time experience, then automatically he will only just imagination based on imagination that he tried to showcase his experience. But go through some of the videos like how exactly be the real time experience. So some scenario based experience. For example, mention the number of ETL processes tested, the percentage involvement in data quality, or any efficiency gains achieved through your testing efforts. Highlight tools and technologies. Okay, so many tools are available. You have to be show all the tools and technologies whichever you are familiar with those tools. Mention the ETL tools and technology you have worked with, such as Informatica, Talent, Microsoft, say, SSIS, or others. Also specify any testing tools you need, such as SPLM, Zira, or others. Showcase your testing methodology. If possible, if you do not have really experience, try to find any one guy who is having experience and be sit with him for at least for 15 days to 1 month to get the experience of interfaces, all tool interfaces. Take his permission, then sit with him, and you will get at least for 15 days you will get how actually the interface is, different tools interface. So that's why that is very important, the organizations expecting. Now describe the testing methodologies you have employed, such as black box testing, white box testing. Understand these tools in depth. Okay, don't go through the definition only. What actually is the black box testing, how it will be going to do, and what is the white box testing, who do these, and what actually white box testing includes, or data integrity, what actually the data integrity practically you should know. Highlight any automation efforts you were involved in. So automation process is very important, you just go through that effectively. Emphasis collaboration. Mention your collaboration with development teams, data architects, business analysts to ensure comprehensive testing coverage and successful ETL processes. Include relevant skills. Create a skill sections and include a specific testing skills such as data validation, data profiling, data reconciliation, SQL, and knowledge of data warehouse concepts. So certificates and trainings. If you have relevant certifications in ETL testing or related areas, include them in a separate section. Certifications can add credibility to your skills. Tailor your resume. Customize your resume for each job application. Highlight the aspects of your ETL testing experience that align with the specific requirements of the job you are applying for. Remember to keep your resume clear, concise, and easy to read. Use action verbs to describe your accomplishments and focus on how your ETL testing efforts contributed to the success of projects and improved data quality. And also go through the projects. Okay, so clearly understand each and everything in projects. And best thing is to identify any of the guy who is already doing ETL testing and request for him to spend at least for 15 days with him, then only you'll be getting a real experience. So this is very important. So this is the thing what I made here, the video for to success in ETL testing interviews. If you like this video, like it and share it. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.